Holy microwave meatballs, it's me again! I just got my hair cut in the morning, I ate my Subway salad, and so I thought this is just the perfect time to do another challenge. None other than the 2-liter Diet Coke, or better known as Coca-Cola Light, in my neighborhood, with no burping. Not really. Actually, I'm gonna change this thing up. I'm gonna do 1-liter Diet Coke with no burping. I actually drank this on camera. I tried to do this on camera, but you know, the first time I just had to burp was like around here. Then I tried again, drank even less. And then the last batch I tried sitting down, and that was like the most painful one, so no. I can already say, declare that this is really painful, and I'm pretty sure humanly impossible. But I'm gonna try to just at least, you know, do something like this. Okay? Because I'm really not satisfied with myself right now. I'm really disappointed in me, in my body, in my stomach. Bottoms up. You wish. Okay. Ow! That last swallow was really painful because I swallowed like a big... Yeah, you know. Starting to hurt pretty bad. All the way from here to here, you just feel it. You can just feel how badly it wants to get out. Done? Yep. Way too painful right now. Like, I don't know how to stand so that it doesn't hurt that bad. And it always takes a while before the burp kicks in, and so it hurts for a while. Unavoidably. Maybe that's just my body. Maybe I really shouldn't have eaten the salad beforehand. Here we go. Interrupted again, of course. It's gonna be divided. Apparently my burps are always divided. I guess I'm incapable of one long chain of... Not even a chain really, just one long burp to get them out of the way. Instantly. But I think that was the last one. Maybe. No. I still feel a little bit of gas in there. Or not. Okay. Okay. So I definitely am not the kind of guy to do this kind of thing. We've got that covered. We've got that settled. Brilliant. Okay. That was amazing. Alright. Well, as for this video to be not as short as this, have a little burping compilation from the first half of the puzzle. Yeah, that was the last one. That was the feel good one.